In the first video, we looked at the challenges humanity faces in managing the transition to a climate-changed world. In this next video, we will look at a class of physical risk of importance to the United Kingdom. Very high winds and sudden storm occurrence is a feature of an island taking the full brunt of winter storms from the west and east. However, in summer and autumn, high pressure and cold fronts can produce sudden summer storm fronts, and thunderstorms can develop whenever the atmosphere is unstable and rich in heat and moisture. The UK has an overall benign climate and overall unremarkable weather. The steady coastal battering is predictable, and each autumn and winter, named North Atlantic storms will race across the UK and produce uprooted trees, close transport links, and cause some structural damage to buildings. Whilst widespread damage can occur, and occasional extratropical storms can build and combine with northern low pressure systems, such as the Great Storm of 1987, these events are very rare. When damage happens, it will often be as a result of a tree falling or from structural damage created by wind force dislodging roof materials, scaffolding, and other exposed building components. In every UK autumn, winter and spring, Atlantic low pressure systems move across the UK in an entirely random manner. In UK summers, sudden storms can evolve and create localised high winds leading to structural damage to trees and buildings. What the UK does have is a world-leading climate and weather reporting framework, with early warnings of storms and historical records going back centuries. What we also have in the UK is a world-beating insurance sector acting as a safety net for some of the world's smallest premiums. When events occur, there is a well-developed response approach that's fully coordinated from local authorities through emergency services, insurers, loss adjusters, and engineering and other contracting specialists. All this means is that the UK is resilient to storms. We are well protected with resilient infrastructure, and we bounce back quickly from storm events. What is true is that the home of tomorrow will be connected, and a hub in which interruptions to service are far more serious than in the past. Home working, the home as a battery hub, and costly retrofitted services will mean that the property risk survey has to evolve and adapt, and lenders will need to know much more about physical risks and home resilience.